Yes, ma'am. My name is Michael Elder. I live at 923 Children's Drive. I called yesterday. I talked to the magistrate and the dispatcher. I had called 911 originally. I apologize, but no one answered the dispatch initially when I called in Martinsville. So I went on and dialed that. But anyway, I talked to her and I told her about some problems I was having with the public officials here. Some of the paperwork I had received from the city attorney this past Saturday, which would have been the second. And it indicated that it was from Earth Monday and that he wrote in a letter that I was supposed to be barred from all city-owned businesses and, buildings, schools and stuff. And he said the reason it was that Ward Armstrong said that I had made a threat on Judge Deathdrige's life, and also I had supposed to have thrown some paper at Ms. Hammock on the 30th. Okay, but I hadn't been approached but one time, and that's when the investigator, I don't want to call him by name particularly because it's been a while back, but he was a lead investigator, detective. Yes, ma'am. Well, no, let me explain to you right quick, and then maybe I can make sure that you understand before you call, because I call all the time. They don't return my phone calls. They don't come, but they do. They say they in court and they can't come. But I put a YouTube video on, and in that video I said, for him to say Ward Armstrong, this Eric Monday, to say in a letter to me, bold enough to say it, and I've been bold enough to say, I did see Ward Armstrong, didn't threaten no judge, but I told her she was crooked. Told him he was crooked. So I guess he got mad, but the point I'm saying though is that when I get a protection order from Martinsville one day, and I got the manual out, the Supreme Court manual I can read, and I look at it and it says that I applied for it, and I go and talk to Lyle, the county attorney, Mr. Lyle, George Lyle, and he verifies that he signed a protection order for a young lady named Angela Gilly that has a baby supposedly by me under the impression that she was a danger to her children. All the paperwork is trying to indicate that I'm a danger to somebody. So then the next day I get this letter from Mr. Monday indicating that Ward Armstrong said that. But that was over 5 months ago, and like I said, the police did come. You know what I told them? I said, Judge Warren, Judge Deathdrige, other people, whether they not have knowledge or don't have knowledge, are committing crimes. They're diverting the justice system to their own benefit. They're taking money from the federal government, state government, people who don't have jobs, who are addicted to drugs. They're giving them checks through the approval of Mr. Liza, the Liza brothers, and Piedmont Community Services. They the one do the documentation. At times they send them to North Carolina to get the documentation they need. Either they entered it for the people to get the check and then turn around and rob them. That's the name of my video, okay? I don't need them to call me. Michael Elder, I live at 923 Children's Drive. But like I said, they won't come. Been 24 hours. I got a legitimate complaint, okay? All right. I'm just saying to you, ma'am, is that I just wanted to record this 24 hours later so I can put this on YouTube, because it's a crying shame that a black man got to go through here as a victim of a crime for folks that ain't following the law. I respect the law, okay? I respect you, okay? And you have a good evening, man.